bright suns. Welcome back to Ordinary Adventures, everyone.
You know, I built a lightsaber. It was one of the first videos we recorded here in Galaxy's Edge, and a lot of people were wondering, why didn't Kitra build a lightsaber?
And to be honest, I didn't really want to, but now that him and all my friends have one, I really want to get one.
Yeah, she saw the experience and was like, I want a lightsaber. And you guys said, we want Kitra to build a lightsaber, so we're here in Galaxy's Edge to build a lightsaber. Come with us on this adventure.
Good. The First Order will be watching you.
What was the first and last name for you?
Kitra, K-I-T-R-A. You get to pick from 4 different style types when going in to build your lightsaber. And I don't know which one I'm going to get. So let's go ahead and look at all 4 of them and decide together. The first one is the Elemental and Nature one. This is the one that Peter actually got. So I don't think I'm going to get this one just because we already have one that looks like this. But I do like all the stuff in here. I love that Rancor tooth. But no, not going to get that one. The next option you have to choose from is Peace and Justice. And this one looks a lot like, when you think of the classic Star Wars look, I feel like this is what this one looks like. I'm not really feeling it because I want something a little more interesting than that. Protection and Defense. And I think this is the one that I actually like the most. It's kind of reminds me of the Old Republic, and that's what I like about it. It's a little bit flashier than the rest of them. Finally, Power and Control. This is the classic Sith-looking lightsaber. It's also very classic-looking. And, you know, I'm kind of torn. Do I want power and control, or do I want protection and defense?
That's the question of life.
It's like really like weighing heavy on my mind. Do I want to control everybody, or do I want to protect people? I actually know which one I'm going to do.
Okay, which one would you like?
I would like protection and defense.
These 2 switches is what we offer to ignite it. We are out of this one, and we only have this one right now, which is this one.
Oh no, which one should I get? And then this one is the same thing, you only have that one?
Yeah, and this one we only have that switch.
I'll still do this one.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. 15 onto this credential. We'll collect it back before you enter. Last check-in is on your right-hand side.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Pretty nice. This is going to be your workstation right here. Excellent.
Welcome builders. You've met Josie, Kent, and Ben. My name is Carla, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As Gatherers, we go all around the galaxy to forgotten places, a veteran outpost, and we bring back all of this precious artifacts for you. Now, if a Stormtrooper were to come in, all of this, everything in here, would look like junk and a bunch of scrap. But we know all of this history. Therefore, builders, it's worth it. Now, as you can clearly see outside, we are in troubled times. But in these troubled times, we heard stories of legends, like one from Luke Skywalker. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
You familiar? Wonderful.
Yes.
And now there's a young Jedi, our spark of hope. Do you know who she is?
Rey.
Rey J. Yeah. And just like Rey and Luke Skywalker, you too, builders, surrender your call. The call is to be here. To Batuu. You're here to build this. The lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is a form of art. The lightsaber has been held by the greatest of heroes and the darkest of enemies. It is a connection between every single one of you, builders, to the Force. And today you will feel that connection. At its core, the Kyber crystal. Now, the Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It is able to focus the energy of the Force and magnifies it into a blade. Now, the color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. And today, you will have 4 Kyber crystals to choose from. Starting with this one, our blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now, our spark of hope, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker. Violet, the most rare and beautiful crystal, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. Red, the Kyber crystal of power. Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now, Kylo Ren. Builders, it is time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. I'm gonna ask you to please close your eyes. I want you to feel that Kyber crystal reaching out to you. What color is calling out to you? Just open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal.
Why'd you pick blue?
It called to me. I'm already crying.
The force must be strong with you.
What'd you say?
The force must be strong with me.
Let's start with pieces. Center of control. We'll explore together.
Oh man, this is gonna be hard.
Far left, you have your chassis. This is where your Kyber crystal will come home. Sections 1 and 2, your grips. You will choose 2 for your belts. Section 3, your emitter. This is where your blade is going to emit from. Section 4, your pommel to protect your power sword at the bottom of your belt. Builders, are we ready to build?
Yeah!
Now there's a spring on the top of the chamber. So if you want the crystal to go in smoothly, use the narrow point of your crystal to press upwards on the spring. Very nice. Are you able to spin it around with your fingertips? Very nice. Section 5, those activation plates that we talked about previously, they come in 2 different compartments because they need to go together as a set. Choose one set.
So here you don't have a choice.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with this one.
Very good. Listen for that sound. Very nice, thank you. Now that golden leaf is your activation switch. Please slide it up for me. Oh, I'm not hearing anything. Try it one more time. Deactivate and reactivate. Do you mind if I inspect your helmet?
Of course.
Alright. Perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, after the heart, of course, is the activation switch. Unless you're able to turn it on, you won't be able to use it. So try that one more time for me. Very good. Alright. Okay, builders, we're ready. Notice that you have 4 grips arrayed there, and they're each in a separate compartment. It doesn't actually matter which compartment they're in. What does matter is which side of the grips you put towards the center. So as you slide one over the top and another one up from below, make sure the copper band is always facing the center.
Do I want it on the top or the bottom?
Go ahead and figure out which one feels comfortable.
This is hard.
How's that lower grip feeling so far?
Good.
Comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And now let me know if you need any assistance. Okay, so now we're ready for the emitter in section 3. That will go on the top of your chassis where there's a well. That will go where your blades are. You'll choose one to be the impact of the big thing. Very nice. Did we get all those tightened on properly? Oh, that bottom one's tightened on.
You like that?
Okay, good.
Yes. I feel like they're not. Should they be lined, or is that how it lines up in between it?
Actually, I'm not exactly sure how they're supposed to work.
Oh, okay.
Because when we visited the Jedi Temple for these pieces, the creators were long since deceased, or perhaps they left for some reason that we don't know. We just go in, grab the pieces, and get out.
Okay, got it.
But I can tell you that over time, it is a little bit easier to adjust the pieces as you use them. They're still a little bit rusty from sitting in the base of our starship for a while.
Okay.
If you're concerned about the way they line up, then go ahead and choose either a piece that doesn't have so much of an issue, or I could try giving one. Which one is the one you're concerned about?
You know what? It looks perfect.
Okay, because we
I
can try
actually
other
love it.
components.
Okay.
There's many Jedi temples in the galaxy.
Okay.
We visited most of them. So,
Great.
okay. So now, in section 3 and 4, you have the end caps of your hilt.
Okay.
The pommels in section 4 are going to be the bottom to protect your power cell, and the emitters in section 3 are going to be the top of your hilt where the blade will extend. And I kind of recommend that you try them together because they are sort of like the connecting components to finish off your hilt, and they kind of look like they complete the look of your hilt.
Got it.
So go ahead and experiment with those. We'll have a bit of a weapon that you can use. Very smart. Okay, so section 3 is probably
I think it's no question that I get that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, it's just cool.
It looks better?
Yeah.
Looking good so far.
Which one do you think?
I like that one.
This one?
Yeah.
I think this is my, I think I did it.
They wish like this had more like the gold.
No, I like.
This has the gold, and that has the gold.
I like it that it's just the top and the bottom.
Do you mind if I inspect your help for you?
I'm just gonna
Very nice.
see what it looks like.
Changing it?
And also, excellent components. These are going to last a long time,
Curious of
especially
one
the
thing.
It's
What is that
tough.
creature
Have you ever tried riding
that
a
lives next to your image capture?
The baby pork.
It's nice and smooth. It gives you a good grip. So once you try
He's the ugly duckling of the litter.
Ah, thank you. That's he's a newborn.
Yeah, he's a brand new. Yeah.
They always have those gray feathers in them.
Yeah. He's got to shed them to get his.
Okay.
It's all curled up asleep, I understand.
This is the other one.
It's going to be okay. Okay.
Which one do you like better?
I like the other one.
The other one?
That's me. It's your lightsaber though. It needs to speak to you.
Was that your first choice? You always make your first choice because that's your decision. All the other voices are just other people in your head.
Are you loving it?
I love it.
How's your chin?
I think this is it. There's no turning back now.
See that fine man?
Can you take
That is. And when she asks you to activate, you're going to push that forward, okay?
Are you happy with your saber?
Well
Yes.
done, builders. Now for this part, it is the most dangerous part of this journey. I'm going to ask you to please take a large step back. Us gatherers are not force sensitive. This is why we're relying on technology to complete. Ben?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
The force is strong with you. And indeed, it is time, Master. Builders on my mark. You will take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And all together, builders, please, activate. Raise your lightsaber. For you have built the lightsaber. Just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Raise them high and proud, builders. High and proud. Want to complete?
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny is seek your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. Now, builders, you must understand, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your lightsaber, we're proud to present to you a saber sheath as your part. Sadly, builders, our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is your time to go out there and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows? That's one day, I'll be back here telling your stories. Builders, show us fire! Show us fire!
Crying.
How often?
Please continue your journey this way.
You make me cry.
I would say I'm sorry, but I'm not. Good. Thank you for sitting us out today.
Quick image capture. We have to do it 5 and 8 so that the first order doesn't see.
I'm still crying.
How was it?
It was incredible. I loved it so much. I love mine.
Why did you pick blue? Because I know before coming in you were talking about possibly doing red or purple.
You know, it just spoke to me. I closed my eyes and it just came to me. I admire Rey and I wanted her color. I'm still crying. Sorry.
Now I know a lot of people out there, like they watch our other lightsaber video and they wonder, like, is it worth $250?
Yes, it's worth it. If you're thinking to yourself, is it worth it? It's worth it. And no matter how many videos you've watched on it, experiencing it yourself, you will cry. I fully did not expect to cry and I started crying twice. halfway through it and at the end. I ended up deciding to get protection and defense, and the style is kind of reminiscent to the Old Republic, but I really, really love the colors. It's not like, I just have like the subtle gold accents, which I love.
In fashion, rose gold.
Yeah, it's yeah. This is really on trend right now. It's the rose gold of 2019. That's not why I picked it. I just liked the way this one looked the best. I actually was gonna get an elemental one, but as you could see from my other video, which we'll put a link up here, when Peter bought his lightsaber, he got that one, and I didn't want to get the exact, you know, it would have been different, but I wanted that tooth like his, and I didn't want to, so I got a different one. And I love it so much. Besides liking the way that this one looked, I just really liked the pin that you get with it. It's like a lightsaber igniting.
Hold it right there. Very impressive. We'll assume you're a collector and not a Jedi.
I just found this.
That's a no, new citizen.
It's so nice though. It's like
negative. That's a no. Trooper, fall in. Yes, sir. Excuse me, citizen. You look very familiar. You're here on a little R&R. Reconnaissance for the Resistance.
No.
We'd love to hear about your visit. Come with us, please. Let's go. All right. Let's take a walk. Resume recreation. This threat has been neutralized. I wasn't asking a favor. Hold. Go ahead, Command. Affirmative. In custody now. Tell him I overpowered them. Say we fought a Jedi. We caught them before they could... Well, negative. But they seem very... Yes, sir. I am ordering your release.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry.
You are released. We will be watching. That is affirmative.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh no! Hurry! Come on. Never have your lightsaber out when the stormtroopers come by. Oh my! They're following him. I gotta hide this before I get in trouble again. That was a close call, and I honestly think I could have taken them, but I was very scared for a second. So let's go ahead and put this. Is this the way it goes?
No, put it in the other way.
Good thing I asked. This is why they give you this bag. I can't believe I got caught. It's in. We're good. They'll never know.
I didn't expect you to pick that lightsaber. I thought you were gonna pick the traditional Jedi lightsaber.
You know what? I actually almost picked like the dark side lightsaber. I know.
Oh no.
But
Who am I sleeping in bed with?
Hey, I love it. It's so much fun. Don't regret a single thing. I love my lightsaber. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos when we go to Galaxy's Edge. And stay tuned, subscribe if you like these type of videos.
Yeah, because we're gonna be back to Batuu and you're gonna want to miss that out. We'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.